welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create the pretty in pink 6-piece bracelet stack. Let's get started. I like to get all my supplies ready before I start so everything is easily accessible. This way we're ready to work without any interruptions. Don't forget to grab your favorite drink. This is one of the most important steps for a relaxing and enjoyable crafting session. This is probably the most important part if you are making any type of stretch bracelet or any other type of stretch jewelry. Always pre-stretch your string before you start stringing your beads to ensure durability. This is honestly the fun part. You can choose whatever style you want. Just make sure that your string will fit through the bead holes. Other than that, the sky's the limit on what you can create. For this bracelet, I wanted my charm in the middle. You don't have to do it this way. You can add charms later if you're working with jump rings. However, I like to do it this way to ensure that my bead pattern is even. If you are a beginner, you can string all of your beads first and then add your charms last. I usually tie my knot 2 to 3 times and have recently started using the surgeon's knot technique. Loop the string around 3 times, then pull to create the knot. I typically do 1 regular knot, followed by a surgeon's knot. Be firm but gentle when pulling the knot. Trust me, you don't want to break your bracelet or chase beads all over the floor. And that's it. Repeat this process for each style of bracelet you choose to create, and here's the final result. If you want more tutorials like this, be sure to comment below. Don't forget to visit my shop by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching.